Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a granite cookware 10 pieces set from the brand Delici. I got this for 159 dirhams. It was on an offer in Lulu. It mentions as non-stick granite cookware 10 pieces set, and these are the 10 pieces. It has this big pot, a medium one, a smaller one, all three with lids, a saucepan, a frying pan, and also a spoon. So let me unbox and show you. Here are some of its features. It has 5-layer super granite coating, 10 into tougher than standard non-stick coating. So these are some of its features. 5-layer super granite coating, healthy non-stick interior, tempered glass lid with air vent. It's strong and durable. This cookware mentions to be Pfoa free, which means it's free of chemicals. So it is safe for cooking. Let us open it. So this is the biggest pot of the cookware. As you can see, this is the lid. It mentions to be a premium cookware which has a healthy non-stick interior. It's dishwasher safe. It's corrosion and stain resistance, and it's strong and durable. These are some of its features. So this is how it looks. You can see the handles, they're strong enough. The size of this saucepan is 24 centimeters. It comes with a tempered glass lid with an air vent. This can easily be used to cook around 2 to 3 kgs of meat. Next is this saucepan. This is a 22 centimeter saucepan. The handle of this cookware is heat resistant, so even if the vessel is hot, it will not hurt your hands. This cookware has a long life hammer tone exterior coating. It mentions it's made of pure granite. This can hold up to 1.5 kg of food. So this also has a lid, and this is how it comes. This is a 20 centimeter saucepan. It comes with the lid as well. This lid is a tempered glass lid, and these utensils are made with a 5-layer granite coating, 5-layer non-stick granite coating. Then we have a milk pan. It is 18 centimeters in dimensions. It has a handle which helps you hold it with ease. This also comes with a glass lid. A frying pan. So this is how big the frying pan is. The fry pan is 24 centimeters, and this also comes with a handle. There's no lid for this frying pan. We'll be taking the lid of this cookware, which is not the biggest one, the second one, and I'll be placing it on this, and it fits perfectly. So lid will not be, even though there's no lid, we can use the lid of the other utensil. You also get a spatula along. This product is made in India, and it is space saving too, so you can stack them one over the other and store it easily in your kitchen without consuming a lot of space. So let us see some of the instructions we need to follow before using this cookware. Here are some of the instructions for using the non-stick cookware. Before first use, the pan needs to be conditioned. Apply a little oil and heat the pan. After it cools, clean with a soft cloth and soapy water. Always cook in low to medium flame. Do not use sharp objects like knives, forks, and metal spoons with sharp edges Use only manufacturer recommended spatulas. If anything sticks on pot, don't scrub it forcefully. Keep water in the pot for some time and then clean with soapy water. Do not use hard or metal scrubber for cleaning. Cool pans before washing with plain water. Use liquid detergent, not hard detergent. Keep the non-stick cookware together with care to avoid scratches. These are other of its features. Non-stick granite 5-layer coating. Super granite coating that is 10 times tougher than regular coatings. It is Pfoa free 5-layer coating, which allows oil-free cooking without sacrificing flavor. Pure grade virgin aluminium is a good conductor of heat, cooks faster and saves time and energy. Heat resistant handle. Strong bakelite handle with metal flame guard allows for easy handling and heat-free cooking. Tempered glass lid. The premium tempered glass lid fits on the pan perfectly and retain the heat inside for a long time. Long life hammer tone exterior coating. Resists scratches and impacts effortlessly to ensure super quality and durability. So these are some of its features. So this was all about this granite cookware. It's my first time using granite cookware. It also mentions that you should use this specified spatula or non-sticks. The spatulas you use for non-stick cookware on these while cooking with these cookware. Do not use steel. It could lead to scratches. But comparatively, the material looks to be much better. Hopefully, I will have a good experience with this cookware. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.